A lot of empty lots, a lot of buildings were abandoned. It looked like Berlin after the bombs. The drugs just came. It was like everybody was selling heroin, cocaine. It was really scary back then. As a person who walked the streets, when it was unsafe, the comparison is a feeling of, you have no fear. Whereas 25 years ago, when I first moved down to this side of town, I had fear. The name had a lot to do with changing that image of the community, getting a slice of paradise.
To leave anymore. What I have is right here. Spend my nights and days before, searching the world for what's right here, underneath and unexplored. Islands and cities I have looked. Here I saw something I couldn't overlook. I am yours now, so now I don't ever have to leave. I've been found now, so now I'll never explore. See what I've done.
That bridge is on fire, yeah, that's the way I've been. I'm froze by desire. If this were to go under, that's the risk I take. I'm froze by desire, as if a choice I made.
And I am yours now, so now I don't ever have to leave. I've been found out, so now I'll never explore. Yours now. I am yours now.
Tile stick, and now it's in just broken down into categories, and now we can compost it. And all the rubble, all the bricks are gone now too.
What are you doing over here? What is
Well, we're decorating for a TV commercial.
Doing this commercial for Triscuit.
Triscuit.
So look at, they brought their
Triscuit? The biscuit?
Plant. Yeah, exactly.
Big tomatoes.
50 people were here cutting up and cleaning this whole area out and sorting the different piles of twigs, and there was a whole pile of rocks and rubble over there. They came and they picked it up. They put and moved it, and half of it's been picked up by the garbage people already, so progress is being made. The people that lived through it all have a real strong connection.
Just ways to fly, easy to take. You could take me in 4 hours, make me a deal, and day a piece, take it all, just stay a week.
I'll take you in pieces, we can take it all apart. I've suffered shipwrecks right from the start. I've been underwater, breathing out and in. I think I'm losing where you end and I begin.
Basic space, open air. Don't look.
There are people that actually live within 3 blocks of this place and do not know about it.